All right, chapter 1, section 5, adding and subtracting decimals. So adding, it doesn't matter which number you put on top, but subtracting, the big number has to go on top. You line up the decimal point when you're subtracting. You might need to add zeros. They call that annexing zeros or whatever. Anyway, so here's some examples. I'm pretty sure you're already okay with that. And then rounding, they'll tell you how they want you to round it to the 10th or to the whole number or whatever. So here we go, number 3. Oh, first off, properties. Commutative property, CO, means to change order. 4 plus 9 is the same thing as 9 plus 4. You can add any order. So here, A plus B equals B plus A. Notice on the commutative property, you don't do any math. You don't add, you just rewrite it. Same with associative property. AS stands for always same. Like if you're to associate with some friends, you're gonna group up, and that's why they call it associative property, because it's grouping. And how do you show grouping in math? We use parentheses. Like here, I want to add these two first. Well, now I want to add these two first. Look at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You didn't move anything except the parentheses. Always same, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The thing that moves is the parentheses. Commutative property, you switch the numbers or the variables or whatever, but you switch. So again, no math. And then identity property, well, the only thing you can add that doesn't change the identity is 0. Anything plus, like 3 plus 0 is 3, or A plus 0 is A. So there's your properties. So anyways, adding, line up your decimal, and you get $35.90. I usually don't put the units in the problem, I just put them at the end in my answer. And number 6, adding, I had to annex a 0 so that, there's numbers, lining up here. So anyways, 43.99, 43 and 99 hundredths. Number 9, subtracting, and so you had to annex a 0. And then borrow, and I don't subtract 10 minus 2, I go 2 plus 8 is 10. And the decimal comes straight down. 0 plus 8 is 8, and 2 plus 1 is 3. I don't subtract, I add. Number 12, 5 plus 10 is 14, so 5 plus 10 is 15, so 5 plus 9 is 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and every decimal comes straight down. Need to do your borrowing. The 2 becomes a 1, the 10 becomes 9, 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 5 is 9. Need to borrow, the 7 becomes a 6, the 1 becomes 11, 2 plus 9 is 11, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 9 plus 3 is 12. Decimal comes straight down. There's the answer. I'm not going to bother talking through it. Number 21. So I had to first figure out what a regular meal was, and $1.99 plus $1.49 plus 99 cents. I just rounded those to easier numbers so I could do it in my head. $2, $1, that's $3, and $4.49, and I rounded these up too, so I got to take 2 off. That's where the 447 came from. And again, you could subtract this in your head. Minus 4 would be 47 cents, but it's going to be 48 cents because it's not minus 4, it's $3.99. So that's how I would have subtracted rather than doing that borrowing stuff. Maybe that's your savings. So here, 24, I'm gonna slide the parentheses and the second and third at 10 and the last two add up to 10. And so maybe we should get 25. I'm gonna use the parentheses, the last two add up to 80. So you get 124. I'm gonna slide it, the last two add up to 10.2. So you get 12.25, 12 and 25 hundredths, or money, $12.25 if you want to think money. Even though it's not money, but it's, to me, with adding, subtracting, with decimals, think money. 33, it's the 4 and 98 hundredths added to 1700ths. That's why I had to rewrite this. Added 2 means that goes first. There's my equation, and then I lined them up, and I get 5 and 6 hundredths. Number 36, add 1,000, so that's 14,500. Number 39, the first one, if I round to the nearest 10 thousandths, the 8 is in the 10 thousandths of the 9 next door, so that's 1,390,000. And then the 3 is in the 10 thousandths, and the 2 next door, so it's just 730,000. Number 42, if my end point is 7,000, 8,000, the midpoint would be 7,500. Draw a number line, label the endpoints 7,000, 8,000, identify the plot halfway. And then 45, I'm going to add up, I'm going to change the order since these add up to 100 and get 190. So pretty friendly lesson. But commutative property, change order, associative, always same, parentheses.